Welcome to NCCERconnect. In this video, I will walk you through how to set individual student settings. Sometimes individual students may need assignment accommodations, such as extended due dates or additional time to complete assignments, but you don't want those changes to affect the entire class. You can use individual student settings. From the instructor home screen, select Manage Assignments. This will bring you to your Homework Test Manager. From the top blue bar, select Individual Student Settings. Now you can select your student. Select Add Student. All of your students with class settings will be on the left. Select the individual student. The arrow button will now bring them to the right. Select Save. Now that will create a drop-down button, and you can select the student. You'll first be asked to choose an assignment category. We'll choose Quizzes and Tests, and then you can add or remove assignments. All of your class assignments will be listed on the left. You can select all, or you can select individual assignments. Use the arrow button to drag them to the right, and now you can set individual student settings for these particular assignments. Select Save. This will now bring you to a screen where you can go through and change those settings for this individual student. You can select individual assignments. You can assign, unassign. You can change the due date if the student needs an extended due date. You can allow for late submissions. You can allow for more than one test attempt for quizzes or tests, or you can change the time limit if you've set time limits. If you want to change the settings for more than one assignment at a time, this top row is a driver for all of the assignments underneath of it. So you can just check this top left-hand box, and it will select all of those assignments. If you wanted to then allow for late submissions for all assignments, just select Update Selected. And now that will allow late submissions for all of your assignments for this individual student. Any changes that you make, scroll to the bottom and select Save Settings.